You want to race? No. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles. We have a sad and exciting day. This is the Road King that I consider to be my personal Road King. I loved it. I cherished it. We had a lot of good times together. Not as many as I would have liked, but that is life. And I'm going to sell it. I am going to sell this bike, and I am pretty sure it might be the cheapest Road King for sale in existence. That's not just an entire piece of junk. This thing's pretty awesome. And it is the 103. No, it is the 100th anniversary edition Road King. We're going to test drive it. I'm going to show you all the good things about it. I'm going to show you all the bad things about it. If you want to see the more cosmetically good and bad, check out the walk around video that Ben did. He did a great job on it. Let's jump on this beast and take it for a spin. Now, this Road King, I don't know if I mentioned this, 117,000 miles on it. Cold start. Fires up. It is fuel injected. And this is the, you see that? That's the oil pressure. At idle, it's at 40 pounds. I don't know. I have no proof that the motor's been rebuilt. I would lean towards that's a pretty heavy possibility. Mainly, not because of, I've had tons of Harleys with high miles and they run great, and this one runs very well. But just that the oil pressure is so good. I mean, sometimes it's normal for a stock Harley to idle at 5 pounds sometimes. So I don't know. I'll just tell you this. I'll tell you it runs good. The front, we'll show you. The front brake rotors squeal, and they're actually like aftermarket chrome rotors, and they are warped a little bit, so you feel like a nice little pulsate. A nice little pulsing. When I rode the bike, I just used a little more rear brake, which is like the worst thing you could do. But I was like, whatever. Oh yeah, guys, let's do the words of wisdom. Proverbs 8:11. For wisdom is better than rubies, and all things that may be desired are not to be compared to it. Guys, wisdom, all the things you're searching for, wisdom is better than all of those things. Just think about that. If that's a really if you don't got wisdom, okay, imagine this. Let's